Welcome. This is how to fix your GIF keyboard that disappear on iPhone. So guys, one thing that you should consider is restarting your iPhone. Now, if that doesn't work, guys, another thing that you have to make sure is you are running the latest iOS software version. So just simply go to the settings into your device and you will have here general and you will have software update. So guys, when there is any update over here, make sure to download them as you can see over here. And now from here, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if it doesn't work, guys, for example, I am using a messenger application. So just simply go ahead and exit through the app and you can just simply restart it by swiping to the top of your phone to restart the app and close it. And you can just simply relaunch your Messenger application. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.